Hello everyone. Week 45. Wow, we are into it, and look at that zit, everyone. Look at that giant red zit. It's gross, right? At what age? At what age does it stop? Alright. The recipe this week is Awesome Tossum, and it's from Julia Dykema from Fargo, North Dakota. I've never been, but I want to Seaside because of the movie. And the recipe is chicken, beef, pad thai noodles, bean sprouts, celery, snow peas, mushrooms, onions, carrots, and then the sauces: 1 samurai teriyaki, 1 garlic oil, 1 garlic broth, 1 chili sauce, 1 Baxter's ginger, and 1 Feed the Hordes hoisin. Julia, from what I remember, because it's been over a week, is that it was fine and dandy and just good. I was eating with a lot of friends. I ate it. It was good. I liked it. A weird order of things. I feel like people just sprouted off the sauces and made it up on the spot. That's what it feels like, Julia, because it goes in order. You have the samurai teriyaki, and then you've got the hoisin and the ginger, and then you get all the oils and broths. Did you just jump around, get in and out of line? What if it's busy, huh? Do people look at you weird? Like you're a leper? Like a leper. Is that what happens? But it was a good recipe. I didn't hate it. I've been trying to find different ones on the website. It's a lot of the same. It's a lot of chicken, a lot of beef, a lot of just noodles, and then some vegetables and some sauce, which again is hoo-ha, but I don't see any like different sauces or different weird combinations like snow peas and cilantro, and that's it, with just mushrooms and black Thai peanut sauce, which I wouldn't like, but who knows. So I'll try to find weirder recipes. Again, send them to me if you got them. I want to try them. I've only got 7 or 8 weeks left. Let's get weird, people. Let's get weird like Studio 54. Alright? Until next week, signing off.